Let's learn the names of air vehicles. Airplane. This is airplane. Hi, I fly high. Hot air balloon. This is hot air balloon. Hello, I float up. Helicopter. This is helicopter. Hi, I spin and fly. Glider. This is glider. Hello, I glide free. Fighter jet. This is fighter jet. Hi, I fly fast. Seaplane. This is seaplane. Hello, I land on water. Airship. This is airship. Hi, I float slow. Biplane. This is biplane. Hi, I have 2 wings. Solar plane. This is solar plane. Hello, I use sunlight. Hang glider. This is hang glider. Hi, I ride wind. Paramedic drone. This is paramedic drone. Hello, I bring help. Crop duster. This is crop duster. Hi, I spray crops. Gyrocopter. This is gyrocopter. Hello, I spin fly. Rocket. This is rocket. Hi, I go to space. Rescue helicopter. This is rescue helicopter. Hello, I save lives. Tiltrotor aircraft. This is tiltrotor aircraft. Hello, I tilt rotors. Paraglider. This is paraglider. Hello, I glide soft. Passenger plane. This is passenger plane. Hi, I carry people. Air taxi. This is air taxi. Hello, I give rides. Cargo plane. This is I carry goods.